Hey Paul, this is the singing interval sound rounds, starting with the minor thirds. Um, minor third, minor third, minor third, minor third. D to F, minor third, minor third. Nope, minor third. A to C, minor third. E to G, minor third. B to D, minor third. F sharp to A, minor third. D flat to F flat. I don't like that, but minor third. A flat to C flat. Minor third. E flat to G flat. Minor third. B flat to D flat. Minor third. And then last for the minors is F to A flat. Minor third. Hey Paul, again, singing interval sound rounds, but this time with the majors. So starting with C to E, major third, G to B, major third, D to F sharp, major third, A to C sharp, major third, E to G sharp, major third, B to D sharp, major third. Should have dropped that down the octave. F sharp to A sharp, major third, D flat to F, major third, A flat to C, major third, E flat to G, major third, B flat to D, major third, and then finally F to A.